counterbalance single leg squat to bench. We're gonna use just a normal bench here, which is about 18 inches, 10-pound change point as a counterbalance. Some of you may benefit from using like a 5-pound change point as a heel lift to allow you to load symmetrically toward the bench. The bench is there as a depth gauge and to make the motion consistent. It is not there as a way for you to bounce off the bench when you get into the bottom position. So you're gonna start, I try to create a consistent environment to start from. So with my knees locked out, the back of my legs are touching the bench. With my knees slightly bent, I'm not touching the bench. The change plate starts at my chest. I'm on my right leg. As I go into a squat, I'm gonna reach out in front of me with a weight to create a counterbalance, which is a little bit easier this way to allow me to get to the depth of the bench. Tap the bench, straight back up, doing my best not to bounce. Keeping in mind of where my knee is tracking at relative to my foot, so I don't want my knee to come way inside. I don't want it to come way outside. Somewhere within that variation is okay. Don't get too caught up on it. Second thing is, how are my hips? We don't want you doing a bunch of trunk lean, compensating through the hip and the back. You're trying to stay in a nice level position with your shoulders and your hips, which is going to cause that butt to work a little bit harder.